In the world of contemporary watchmaking, innovative materials are revolutionizing timepieces, with carbon fiber leading the charge for its robustness, lightweight feel, and distinctive allure. Cyrus, renowned for its boundary-pushing approach to horological design, introduces the Klepcys Dice Lime Carbon, a culmination of technical prowess and unique style. Explore how this watch merges cutting-edge design with unparalleled functionality, setting a new standard in timekeeping sophistication. Do you have any questions, thoughts, or feedback, or would you like to share your experience? Don't hold back. Drop them in the comments below or pop in by one of our boutiques in Switzerland whenever you like to discover this model firsthand. We're here to assist you. At Les Ambassadeurs, everyone is welcome, regardless of if you are an established watch collector, window shopper, or are new to the world of timepieces. We're more than happy to show you everything about this model in detail. Visit us in Geneva, located near the beautiful Lake Geneva, where Ignaz and his passionate team will warmly welcome you. In Zurich, you'll find us at Bahnhofstrasse on the main shopping street, overseen by Mohammed and his team. Explore our boutique in Luzern, near the iconic Chapel Bridge, where Max and his team will be delighted to showcase our latest collections and timeless favorites, including our exquisite fine timepiece selection. In the meantime, we invite you to visit our webshop, where you can explore a wide selection of the latest timepieces. But for now, let's honor this remarkable timepiece by exploring its every detail. Founded in 2010, Cyrus understood from the outset that surviving in the competitive luxury watch market required creating timepieces that were unique both in style and functionality. One of their groundbreaking innovations was equipping watches with two crowns, a feature that was once unimaginable or at least uncommon. Today, Cyrus has built on this concept, ensuring that these crowns provide access to unique functionalities, as seen in the latest Klepcys Dice Lime Carbon, which is equipped with two monopusher chronographs. Moreover, as the name suggests, the brand invites us on a fresh adventure with its visually captivating and open dial design. The Klepcys Dice Lime Carbon is not only a technical marvel, but also a stylistic triumph, reflecting Cyrus's commitment to innovation and aesthetic excellence. The dial of the Cyrus Klepcys Dice Lime Carbon watch is a standout feature with its 3D open-work design. It showcases Arabic hour numerals on an anti-reflective sapphire crystal ring and white superluminova with blue light emissions. The flange has luminescent minute markers and a double scale for the chronograph in green and yellow. What really stands out are two mirrored hands for the 30-minute counter at 3 o'clock and two central seconds hands, all in green and yellow, adding a vibrant and functional aesthetic to the timepiece. This because both chronographs are monopusher and work independently, which allow you to measure elapsed times with different starting times. All these functions are enabled through the in-house movement, which underscores its commitment to precision and performance. It is the caliber CYR 718, a self-winding movement renowned for its reliability and robustness. This movement features a column wheel chronograph mechanism, a hallmark of high-end watchmaking known for its smooth operation and precise timing functions. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the CYR 718 movement operates at a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour and boasts a power reserve of approximately 55 hours. In addition to its impressive technical features, the movement distinguishes itself through meticulous attention to detail. This includes a gray anthracite NAC galvanic treatment, an embossed sunray pattern with satin and micro-beaded finishing, and hand-beveled profiles. These elements underscore the craftsmanship and artistry that elevate the movement to a level of exceptional quality and refinement. The case of the Cyrus Klepcys Dice Lime Carbon watch combines polished and brushed grade 5 titanium with carbon fiber, marrying strength with a striking visual appeal. With dimensions of 42 mm in diameter and 16.5 mm in thickness, the case strikes a balance between robustness and wearability and is water-resistant up to 100 meters. The design is enhanced by anti-reflective sapphire crystal glass on both the dial and case back, ensuring clarity and durability while allowing for a clear view of the intricate movement within. The use of carbon fiber for the bezel further elevates the aesthetic, offering a lightweight yet durable material that complements the titanium components. Overall, the meticulously crafted case of the Cyrus Klepcys Dice Lime Carbon watch showcases the brand's commitment to blending advanced materials with precise engineering, appealing to enthusiasts who value both style and performance. When worn, it stands out distinctly on the wrist, capturing attention with its unique design. It makes a bold statement, resonating with individuals unafraid to express themselves boldly and stand apart from the crowd. The strap of the Cyrus Klepcys Dice Lime Carbon watch complements its distinguished case with polished and brushed Grade 5 titanium links, ensuring durability and a refined aesthetic. It is equipped with a customized folding clasp adorned with the Cyrus logo, enhancing both security and elegance in wear. The Cyrus Klepcys Dice Lime Carbon watch stands as a pinnacle of contemporary horology, blending cutting-edge materials with meticulous artistry. It caters to discerning individuals who seek both sophistication and distinctiveness in their timepiece, embodying a unique style and uncompromising quality. The Cyrus Klepcys Dice Lime Carbon is available now at Les Ambassadeurs and priced at 41,300 Swiss francs. Has this model caught your attention and captured your heart? If that's the case, uncover these gems at one of our boutiques or contact us via our website. What feature of this watch appeals to you the most? Is it the innovative use of carbon fiber, the precision of the CYR 718 movement, or perhaps the striking design? Your feedback matters to us. Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comment section below, or why not just drop by for a coffee at one of our boutiques where you can ask our watch experts anything you've always wanted to know about this model or the marvelous world of timepieces. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss out on the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.